Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Letmespeak, Learn English Pronunciation app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Letmespeak is an English learning app focused on improving pronunciation, speaking confidence, and real-life conversation skills. It uses short interactive lessons, AI-based pronunciation feedback, and speaking exercises to help learners practice naturally. The app is available on both iOS and Android and includes gamified lessons to keep users motivated while progressing at their own pace. The app's main feature is its pronunciation training, where users speak directly into the microphone and receive instant feedback on clarity, correctness, and accent accuracy. It also includes vocabulary practice, conversation dialogues, grammar support, and daily goals designed to build consistent learning habits. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clear feedback system, structured lessons, and the way it breaks down pronunciation into simple, repeatable steps. The conversational scenarios help learners practice real-life English, and the gamified elements make regular practice easier and more enjoyable. However, there are some drawbacks. Some features, including extended speaking practice and advanced learning paths, require a subscription. Users in some regions have mentioned occasional recognition errors with the microphone, and the learning style may feel repetitive if you prefer traditional textbook methods. It also requires a stable internet connection for accurate speech analysis. In summary, the Letmespeak app may be worth it if you want guided pronunciation practice, instant speaking feedback, and conversational English training. However, if you're not planning to subscribe to premium features or prefer more advanced academic lessons, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.